Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 382 Chapel Ridge. I was out here a couple weeks ago cabling this, and my cable kept getting stuck. I couldn't get very far in. I tried with a pigtail cutter, started hanging up, almost broke my cable off. I did get it to drain a couple weeks ago, but I made a video, but something happened and I couldn't get it to upload, so here we are re-videoing this. It's in the backyard here. As you see, there's clean out here on the ground, cast iron T, and it goes over to here's where we stopped. The camera head's got stuck and the cable wouldn't go any further. They got this patio out here with this, I don't know, concrete grout in it. They had a big tree right here that they just cut down. I believe that the roots of that tree have messed this line up and causing our cable to dig out of the line. Also, whatever they used to put in between these bricks, some kind of gravel cement thing is down in there too. Every time I cable it and pull my camera back in and out, it has gravel like concrete mix in there. So I definitely believe this pipe's going to be broken and in need of repair. I'll go ahead and try to put it down here. This is where we're stopping. As you see, it's all underwater. The last time I was here, my camera started getting stuck in there too. Yeah, here we are to clean out here. Pull some stuff back, but yeah, like I said, this line's definitely broken. We came back out again, tried cabling, the cable started getting stuck again. So sometimes you do get it slowly drain sometimes, but definitely recommend it to be repaired. It's 5 feet deep. I'd say repair that spot and then inspect the rest of the line to make sure it's good to go. So make sure there's no other breaks. Alright, thank you.